Hi, welcome to Haletale. Today we're going to take a look at how Haletale is going to revolutionize your property management operations and your portfolio. And in this video, we want to focus on some high-level ideas about what we primarily focus in property management, starting from all the way from leasing, tenant portal, communications, maintenance, accounting, and reporting, which according to us, are the pillar of property management, and we handle it all. In a second, I'm going to show you the portfolio and how we handle all these things within the platform. This is our completely customizable and white label Haletale platform. Now, if you're not aware of the word white label, it simply means you can completely brand the platform into your own branding. That meaning our name and logo is not going to be shown anywhere. And this helps you to get your tenants onboarded 10 times faster because they know you and your branding rather than any random platform. Now, looking at the platform, let's look at the dashboard. The dashboard here is a completely comprehensive dashboard, which can be customized based on your requirement. You can move things around, and you decide to see what you want to take a look at every day when you log in every single morning. Now you do also have quick buttons for quick actions. And let me introduce you to our AI assistant, Ralph, who helps you to create quick reports on a given day for a day that you're outside on the go. If you want a quick report of who's on the arrears for this month or for the particular day, Ralph will be able to help you with that in a minute. We understand as a property manager or a portfolio owner, things are on the go most of the time, and our tools are designed to help you with those scenarios. Everything that we do here is focused on saving time, and the automations are based on that simple principle. We have a lot more to show you here in terms of how we handle the invoices, payments, the maintenance side, how you add your third-party contractors, vendors to handle using the platform. Your rent increases where automatically it goes, and increase the rent on a given day, and submit the notice to tenants. There's a lot more we can show you with this platform, and also how you handle the lease agreements and notices automatically to the tenants. How do you automate that? Overall, we're looking at least 15 to 20 hours of savings when you automate all your processes here. This is what Haletale can bring into operations. As you can see, there's a lot more to go over here, and we would like to give you a tailored version of this when you book a call with us and show what matters the most to your portfolio. I hope this video is helpful. Have a great day.